Hello everybody, this is Toshi Yagi from beautiful little island, Okinawa, Japan. This is my subject today. I shot it for a couple years ago for 20th anniversary shot for her. Well, actually a couple months ago I made this image by Procreate. The base image was this, and this time I want to try on this Adobe Fresco to make another different image from these three images. One is the base image on this, then second one is this one, line image. I made it on Adobe Photoshop. Use a filter called Find Edges as always, and also this one, the first one I showed to you. I already made this, but this image was not that I don't satisfied because it's kind of busy, even though it's using this kind of texture, because I'm not used to it. A couple months ago I made this, but so anyway, I'm going to try on this and get started. Okay, I'm gonna move this layer to maybe on top. Second third. I'm gonna use this one to make a mask. Then I'm gonna make it more simplify this one. Make it simple. Okay, I'm gonna turn this image I'm talking about, this line image, tone down maybe 50% or so. Then also I'm gonna make the create empty mask on this, convert. Then I'm gonna invert first. Then also I'm gonna do on this layer too. Show the layer here, then create empty mask, convert. Now I'm gonna invert this one too. Now I don't see this base image now. I'm gonna just turn it off. Then I may see this show up, the reveal on this layer to make it maybe much simple. I don't know. Well, let me try. Painting to wet brush 1. Let's try this funny brush. I shouldn't go all over again. I know what is, so I'm gonna hide. Okay, same time I'm gonna do on this line image, find edges, filter, layer. I'm gonna reveal also. Okay, now I almost done. I think that's almost. I get the information from these two layers, and now I'm going to add on this layer. I'm going to use a watercolor. Let's see. First of all, watercolor, wash flat, then pick the color now. I want to go with this kind of creamy color. Then biggest. Oops. Wait a minute. Oh, right here. I'm going to use watercolor. Largest size. Lots of water. Yeah. Then add some greenish cyan type. Change the brush to wash soft. Let me see. What's the image like? Oh, that's right. Okay. I just add the water to make it thinner. No, shouldn't go too much. So now opposite side, opposite color wheel, about the magenta. Don't like this. Maybe one. And I want this here in the same kind of yellow. It's good, I think. Less water. Let it dry. Then let's see. Okay, now much soft image, I think. Yeah, okay, that's pretty good. Yep, I guess this is it for this image, I think. I like a soft image. Yeah, see that this is the first start point. You're gonna get much simple, less information. I think that's enough for this picture. Well, thank you for watching my video, and I appreciate to support to watching this. Have a nice day, guys, and see you next time. Thank you again. Bye now. Ciao.